Welcome to the Interstate briefing. First and foremost, I'd like to thank all our sponsors this year. We have very big names and very good names, I'm sure you know. Our title sponsor, we have KH Cycle. And we also have Vima Auto Volkswagen, Backbite.com, and also Polar. Your expectations this year? What are you expecting out of the Interstate? The distance for day one is approximately 120 km plus minus. Plus more than minus. Okay. Day 2 is 130 km, slightly longer, and day 3 is 170 km. Total distance of 420 km plus minus. Okay, day 1 is practically hilly. Okay, there are a few challenging climbs for you. And day 2 basically is a rolling hill all the way. So you can see the terrain is slightly easier. And day 3 is basically flat for 170 km. So this is what you get. Okay, basically the starting point for Kajang is actually at Prescott Metro Inn, previously known as Metro Inn as well. I'm sure most of you all will know because we started there before twice previously. And of course the date is this Saturday, 28th of April. Not next Saturday, this Saturday, don't set the wrong calendar. Okay, 120 kilometers. The start time for this Saturday is 7 o'clock sharp. Reason why is because there's after 7:30 the traffic in Semenyih side is going to be very heavy. So we're starting slightly earlier. Okay, we're going to start 7 o'clock sharp as much as possible. So please be on time. Okay, the end point for day 1 is Melang Inn in Kuala Pilah. Melang Inn is the biggest hotel in Kuala Pilah. So you cannot miss it. Okay, like you say, the terrain is hilly, so plan your ride well. It's hilly towards the first and middle section of the ride. Okay, this is the Metro Inn that you see. This is the hotel. It's at the corner of the main road junction. Okay, this is the N Hotel, the big hotel in Kuala Pilah. It's actually next to a Shell petrol station. Okay, this is day 2 hotel. Just for information, this is classic hotel, which underneath is a Waytax parade, quite a big shopping center downstairs. Okay, day 3 Pulau Spring Resort. Okay, so this is 5-star. And of course, this is the finale dinner that we're doing. This is the grand ballroom that we're taking up. It's very nicely done up, and I hope just to brief you all, this year we're doing something very nice. So put on your fancy dresses and big smiles, as we have lucky draw for everybody. I mean for some lucky people. Okay, there'll be draws from all the sponsors and all. Maybe there'll be a Volkswagen for lucky draw. You never know. They just launched a new model like a few days back, maybe giving for free. What are the critical junctions? You will come to a small town, you have to take right at the traffic light. If you go straight, I have no idea where you're going to end up in, okay? Then there's the 79 kilometer. This is the Y Fork. We have done this I think 2 or 3 years back in Bahau, right to Bahau. It's the same Y Fork junction. The wanton mee there is quite good. Okay, we're taking the right junction, which goes into a kampong area with a lot of dance, cow dance. Okay, and then kilometer 102, it's also a very critical junction. We are supposed to turn right. If you go further, just behind where the little car is also a right turn, but it's a corner, so it's more dangerous for cyclists. So we're taking this first right. The both right will join the same place, so whichever right at your convenience, but you can take at the first right. Okay. And then immediately from then, there is a like less than 500 meters. You'll see this junction. You're supposed to take left. Okay. Just visualize the photo and as much as possible try and visualize and keep it in mind. Okay. Then 104.2 is a blue house where a Y fork and we're taking left. Okay. I understand there's quite a lot of critical junctions, but if you follow Tulips correctly, you shouldn't get lost. We have signages all over. But just to make known that you're supposed to write on your own account. So when you feel it is wrong, please look at the Tulips and justify accordingly. Okay. Next is this round corner where you're supposed to take right. It's a really small road to the right. That is the correct one. Okay. Basically, the end point is a Shell petrol station. The hotel is just next to the Shell petrol station. So if you see in Kuala Pina, there's only one Shell petrol station. I hope. So you look out for Shell petrol stations, okay? Malang is just behind the Shell petrol station. Okay, are you all ready for the interstate? Right, registration, we have implemented this since last year. It's been very good. We are doing it again this year. Just for information for those who doesn't know, right, registration is for cyclists only, not the support car drivers. Okay, only cyclists requires to register. And how you register is to hand over or check in your ID tags. ID tags meaning not the back tag, the ID tag for the one with the lanyard. Just hand over the ID tag without the lanyard. Okay, just ID tag, remove the lanyard. You can keep the lanyard, we just need the ID tag. Okay, hand it over before the ride. Okay, and you can collect it back after the ride during your room key selection. This is very important so that we know where you are, and at least we know that you're not cycling and you're not back yet. Okay, this is a safety measure that we propose. Everybody that dropped in should collect it back before dinner. If we still having your ID tags, meaning you should be up riding, so we'll at least take some precautions to actually look for you, or you're out eating durian somewhere. Okay. Make sure you write your mobile number and mobile number behind your ID tags. Okay, so that we can call you in case necessary. And do not lose your ID tag, as we do not have many replacements. Strictly no helmet, no ride. Don't even bother asking if you can ride without at your own responsibility. We're practicing no helmet, no ride. Okay. Yep. So ride at your own pace. Observe all traffic rules. No drafting vehicles, no matter what. As much as you can. Okay. It's a bit tempting, I know, but try not to draft any vehicles. Okay. Okay, if you cannot make it back in time for whatever reason, durian stops or whatever stops, please SMS or call any of the marshals. The phone numbers are actually in your Tulips. On the far bottom right, there are phone numbers there. Make sure you let them know that you're safe and you do not want to come back in time for whatever reason. Okay, so at least we know you're in good hands.